Welcome. A lot of people like using the Brightspace calendar, but you can't really edit it and add things to it. However, there's an easy solution, which is importing your Brightspace calendar into a calendar you might use more often, like your Outlook or your Google Calendar. So I'm going to show you some quick steps in how to do that. The first thing you need to do when you go in is go into Brightspace. You have to go into one of your courses in order to access the calendar. So I'm clicking on here. When you get into your course, you're going to see up here with course activities that you have the option for calendar. Once you're in your calendar, you're going to go right here to settings. The first thing you want to do is click on this box. It says enable calendar feeds. That way you can send it to another one. At that point, click on save. We're now going to click on subscribe, and it's going to give you this. I recommend that you select all calendars and tasks, not just one or two. So this will put everything from your Brightspace calendar onto the other calendar you're looking for. I know you want to click the download button. Don't do it, and don't click reset. You're going to want to copy and paste this right here. So click on that, and you're going to want to copy that link. Once you do, you can close. Now, the first thing is if you're going to Google Calendar, you want to go to your Google Calendar. We upload that. And once you're in your Google Calendar, you're going to select down here for other calendars. You might have to scroll down if you have a lot of them. So click on Add Other Calendars, select From URL, paste right here. We're going to paste that URL right in here and click on Add Calendar. So that's as simple as as simple as you have to do. If you want to do this in your Outlook calendar, it again is very simple. You just need to know where to find the right buttons. Click on Add Calendar. Click on Subscribe from Web. And again, you're going to do the same thing of pasting in your web calendar feed. The difference is you can name this calendar and you can give it a color. So we're going to give it the color yellow, and we can add a little charm if you want to make sure that you can add something that may be an academic charm. Then click on import, and you can add it to whichever calendars. I'm going to say my other calendars. Click on save and import. Now, once you've done that, I'm going to tell you one thing. Sometimes it's going to take a little time for that to sink in, but then you're going to start seeing all of those calendars in one place. I hope that this helped you, and have a great day.